everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found an online store that looks absolutely perfect? The layout, the style, everything, and thought, I wish my website looked like that? Whether you already have a brick-and-mortar store and want to move online, or you're starting your first e-commerce brand, it's super helpful to know what platform the store you're looking at for reference is built on, and if it's Shopify, which theme it's using. In today's video, I'll show you several easy ways to find that out, completely without code. You'll learn which tools can detect Shopify stores, reveal their themes, and what the pros and cons of each one are. Let's start with Koala Inspector, my top pick. Koala Inspector is a Chrome extension made specifically for Shopify stores. Once you install it, you can open any store and instantly see if it's built on Shopify. What makes it really powerful is the extra information it gives you. The name of the theme, whether it's a custom or public one, which Shopify apps the store is using, and even some product information. You can even get insights into traffic and marketing tools. Koala also offers a web version, where you can simply paste in a store URL to check its theme. The browser version is great for quick checks, but the Chrome extension gives you far more detailed data. So if you want the full picture, go with the extension. The only limitation? Koala focuses entirely on Shopify. It won't analyze sites made with Ecommerce or other platforms, but that's also why it's so accurate for Shopify users. Now let's look at Wapalizer. Wapalizer is a general website technology detector, not Shopify specific. Once you install it, you can open any website and see its entire tech stack, e-commerce platform, analytics tools, marketing pixels, and more. The advantage is flexibility. It works for any website. The downside is that it doesn't show theme names or anything product related. It's more of a technical overview, not a store insight tool. If you prefer not to install anything, there are several online Shopify theme detectors that work directly in your browser. You can try the Shop Theme Detector, which only tells you which theme the website is using. Another great tool is the Pippiad's Shopify Theme Detector. It not only shows which theme a store is using, but also the theme's actual name. Pippiad's also offers several other useful tools, which you can explore individually. These online detectors are great when you just want a quick answer without setting up extensions. The trade-off is that they don't give as much detail as the two extensions. You won't see apps or marketing data, but for theme discovery, they're perfect. You might also come across Built With, a long-established site analyzer that provides in-depth industry-level data. It's particularly useful for analyzing technology trends, comparing and selecting platforms, and examining platform usage statistics. So here's the takeaway. If you want detailed Shopify-specific data, go for Koala Inspector. If you want to analyze any website, even beyond Shopify, Wapalizer is great. For quick, simple checks in your browser, Koala Theme Detector, Shop Theme Detector, or Pippiad's will do the job perfectly. And if you're looking for industry-level insights, technology trends, or platform usage statistics across multiple sites, Built With is the tool to use. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments which topic you want me to check next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.